Now let's hear from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is 2nd of May 2022, and I'll be analyzing Lynas, which the SX code is LYC. Is Lynas a good stock to invest in May or even June? So what are the fundamental aspects that make Lynas so appealing for us here at BG Trading? So let's have a look. I just want to remind, this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid FOMO, and much more, all in this channel. So if you like the content, please share this video with someone that you could be helping, and also subscribe the channel. I'm also like to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. I'm going to put the link for this very same analysis so you can read all the details in your own time. This community, we post a lot of great quality content. We post our results as well, results that we have done together with some of our VIP members or our students that have been taking our online course. So today, for example, we just locked in 22% out of Fly Center with the travel stocks doing really well. So it's time to lock in profits. So that's what we do here. We lock in anything from 20 to 40% using BGS20 or BG trading strategies. Now let's jump straight into the analysis. Here you go. This is our stock analysis session. Here's some of the stocks that we have been trading, analyzing. So it's all access to our VIP members. So I'm going to disclose that with you guys, some of the details, of course. So now, Lynas rare earth. So first of all, let's briefly understand what Lynas is all about, and then also understand a little bit about rare earth and the demand, because that's what has been triggering so much growth in Lynas stock price. Okay, so Lynas is an Australian mining company and the world's largest rare earth producer outside of China, which is good. Now, the Mount Weld mine in Western Australia is acknowledged as one of the world's premier rare earth deposits. So what the company does, it extract the minerals, send to its facility plant in Malaysia, and then obviously process the rare earth material in Malaysia, and then sell to customers, like all sort of customers in different industries. Now, the materials here are the materials that are mostly produced by Lynas. Now let's understand a little bit what are rare earth materials. So why we call rare earth? Okay, so if you're gonna invest in a company, I always say to our members, to our students, you need to understand where are you lending your money on, and extremely important. So make rational decisions, understand, so you're going to sleep better and have a better investment life. So now, although the name says rare earth elements are relatively abundant in Earth crust, with cerium being one of the 25th most abundant element. This makes it an abundant as a copper. So it's very abundant element, but the problem is, and that's what makes it being called rare earth, because of the element's geochemical properties, rare earth elements are typically dispersed. This means they are not often found in a concentrated enough cluster to make them viable to mine. And it's exactly this scarcity of these minerals that led them to be called rare earth. So then obviously it's not any company around the corner that will be extracting rare earth is just not viable. So Lynas has been in the game for years, is pioneer, and is the biggest rare earth producer outside of China. That's why you want to be the leading company. There's other rare earth explorers as well in the SX, but I wouldn't be really investing or trading any other rare earth company but Lynas at this stage. Now let's go to the highlights. Record sales and record revenue in the Q3 2022. So this is why we're looking into consistent growth from quarter to quarter. Obviously, we had a little bit of effect of lockdowns and the COVID, but still the company is delivering incredibly good results. Also, I want to just highlight here that favorable macroeconomics with the market cap for NdPr continued, which is the main mineral, continued to strengthen during the March quarter. So here's the prices. You can see how the price has been consistently increasing from $68 a kilo to $144 in March. So it's really more than double of the commodity price. So because it's based in commodity, we can never know exactly what the direction of the market will be. But according to the macroeconomics and the fact that the elements, the rare earth elements, are used in all sort of industries, and I'm going to talk a little bit about in a minute. That makes Lynas a very appealing investment. So now, why NdPr? Why most of the market is looking up for lithium and other popular commodities, NdPr has also done an unprecedented run during 2021, as I just showed you before. So there are vast applicability, especially now when we're talking about carbon emission control, EV cars, and all this sort of technology. NdPr creates the strongest magnet known, and these magnets convert electricity into mechanical energy or motion, as they call. These magnets are used in various different devices, such as solar farm, wind turbines, medical equipment, smartphones, computer, military tech, and to name a few other applicabilities as well. So that's why we're really interested in this stock. But now, because we normally here at the BG Trading, we merge technical analysis to the fundamental prospect of the company, and we see Lynas with a strong growth company as well as producing and generate earnings. We are looking at investing in trading Lynas for a little while. We did trade in the past for 20%, but it is sitting, the stock price now is sitting in a particular, very interesting position, and that's what I want to show you here. That's when we buy normally stocks together with our VIP members or just ourselves. So this is what happening with the stock price for China. Now, doing the technical analysis, if you ever hold this stock for the last year, like 52 weeks, so you'll be profiting 45% out of this stock. However, if you've been holding the stock for 2 years, you'll be doing a lot more. Since the stock was trading around $1.50, you would be 450% up in your investment if you have held the stock since 2020, which wasn't our case. But here we're seeing a great opportunity to actually buy as the stock is trading sideways. And our strategy normally likes buying at the strong support level. We can see strong support level around $8.80 to $9, which we call hypothetical support channel. And that's what we've been buying here. Another element, another indicator that we look at is volume. So now the KPI based on volume and based on the stock price direction is this. The volume, as you can see, the volume is increasing. Sorry, is decreasing. As you can see, the volume day by day. So this is a higher volume here on 26, and then 27 we got a slightly lower, and then 28 even lower, and then it keep decreasing, and the stock is in downturn. So what happened is it's actually losing momentum from the technical perspective. And that's when we're looking to enter when the volume start getting really low, because it's likely to start bouncing back. So when it bounces back, sometimes bounces really quickly, bounces 5, 6, 7, 8% in one day. So therefore, we decide to enter into a position. Now we believe that we can easily be able to lock in like anything from 20 to 30% within the next 3 months. Obviously, depending on the market conditions. Hence, Lynas is for us a buying opportunity, and we believe that it's not a better time to buy when the stock is trading down at the high potential support. And just to finalize here, as you can see, it's also trading at a technically discounted price of almost 10%, because we normally buy stocks when stocks are trading at SMA level, which is the red line, or under. At the moment, the Lynas is trading almost 10% below the SMA, offering a technically discounted price for any entry around this sort of level now. Guys, this is our thoughts. We think is a buying opportunity. Obviously, the time will tell us, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you and please share your thoughts with us. Share what you think about Lynas at trading under $9. If you think gonna go down further, it's a buying opportunity. So we are very delighted to hear your thoughts about, and also tell about our analysis as well. Guys, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators, to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.